Okay, so this is chapter this is chapter 6, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now start answering. Whoever knows the answer will give first. Which of the following is a plant hormone? Insulin,
Cytokinin.
which one?
Last
Last
option.
option.
Last option, cytokinin. Correct. Keep writing. Second, the gap between two neurons is called a
Synapse.
Synapse.
synapse. Correct answer. Note it down. Third one, the brain is responsible for.
All of the
All
above.
of the above.
Very good. Correct. Can anyone tell me how does brain help in balancing the body?
Are you asking the
Anyone,
structural balance?
anyone can answer this question. How does brain help in balancing the body?
The cerebellum helps balance the posture and coordination.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Any changes in this, Nambiar?
No, sir.
Fine. Move to next one. What is the function of receptors in our body? Think of situations where receptors do not work properly. What problems are likely to arise? See, this is long question. First thing we have to explain here function. What is the function of receptors? Correct. Second, think of situation where they don't work properly. Then you will have to write it down here. What will happen and what problems are likely to arise? Yes. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So first point, start writing functions of receptors. Make this as heading.
Yes.
Before that, Pati, tell me, what do you mean by receptors?
Receptors are what take in information from our environment, external environment, into our body, such as smell, sight, audio, etc.
You are telling what receptors do. I am asking what are receptors?
Um, so receptors are the specialized tips of the nerve cells which perform these functions.
Now you are right. So you should always listen to question carefully what I am asking. I asked what are and you said what they do. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So these things are very, very important. We must write or say the exact answer what being asked. That is very important. Always focus on this. Okay, very good. Let's start writing. The receptors are a specialized group of cells. Receptors are a specialized groups of cells
Yes, sir.
or nerve endings located in our sense organs. I am repeating. Receptors are specialized groups of cells or nerve endings located in our sense organs In
Yes,
bracket, you
sir.
can write down such as the eyes, comma, ears, comma, nose, comma, tongue, and skin, bracket closed. Change paragraph. Their primary function is to detect information or stimuli. Their primary function is to detect information or stimuli from the surrounding environment and convert them into electrical impulses that are
Yes, sir.
sent to the brain and spinal cord via sensory neurons.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So first part of this question is complete. Now we will think of the second. Think of situation where receptors do not work properly, right?
Yes, sir.
What problems are likely to arise? So what do you think? These two lines is the same question or they are different?
Different.
In what way?
So the question which asks, think of situations where receptors do not work properly are the cause, and what problems are likely to arise as the effect of.
Excellent. Very good. In shorter word, in my word, what you can say that second portion will give you the heading of the point, and the third part will give you its explanation of the heading. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Right on. Now make heading as situations where receptors malfunction. Situations where receptors malfunction. Before going to point, you write 1, 2 line in the beginning. When receptors do not function properly, comma, The body fails to receive external cues correctly. For example, write down first point. Damaged olfactory receptors. Damaged olfactory receptors. In bracket, you can write nose. Dash underline. In this case, a person cannot detect a smell properly.
Yes, sir.
If a gas leak occurs, or food goes bad, in bracket you can write a still, bracket close, comma. The individual will not notice and this will result into fire hazards or food poisoning. Can anyone tell me a situation when you cannot smell anything properly?
So when we're sick and our nose is
When we-
blocked.
What?
Yes, sir.
So when we're sick and the mucus blocks our nose.
That is a different thing. That is something which is lying on the surface. You tell me something when this is not the situation, still you cannot smell things properly. I can give you a hint. This has happened some 4 or 5 years back with many people all over the world.
Sir, dangerous viruses.
Correct. In COVID-19, if you remember, the person who were suffering with COVID, they were not able to smell things properly. Had you heard of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that was the reason. Okay. Go to next point. Damaged gustatory receptors. Damaged gustatory receptors. And what should come here? In bracket?
The tongue.
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 Correct. A person loses the ability to taste. Or you can start in this case. In this case, a person loses the ability to taste.
Yes, sir.
They might accidentally ingest harmful, toxic, or spoiled substances because the protective bitter or sour taste triggers fail.
So, because
The protective bitter or sour taste triggers fail. We have taste triggers. छोटे बच्चे को करेला खिला के थोड़ा देखो कैसा फील करता है, कैसा फेस करता है, या लेमन थोड़ा सा डाल दो उसके माउथ में, फिर एक्शंस देखो उसके फेस पे कैसा कैसा होता है. तो व्हाट इज दैट? His taste triggers work, and that is he doesn't feel nice. Last point, third one. Damaged photoreceptors. Damaged photoreceptors. What should come in the bracket?
eyes.
Eyes.
Eyes. In this case, or you can say, in this case, okay, have you written it in this case?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this case, a person gets blind or gets visual impairments. Visual impairments means some compromise with the vision.
Yes.
Which makes it highly difficult to navigate surroundings or sense physical dangers.
Yes, sir.
Right? So today we will do till here. Your homework is must complete triangle and quadratic equations assignments, right? You have 1 day gap, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So try to finish that. Do late studies. You are in higher class. छोटा बच्चा अब तुम लोग नहीं रहे हो, समझे ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो थोड़ा नाइट स्टडी करेंगे तो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी नहीं चाहिए. काम खत्म होना चाहिए. इतना लंबा टाइम हो गया दिए हुए. अभी तक 13 क्वेश्चन ट्रायंगल में थे. क्वाड्रेटिक में थोड़े से क्वेश्चन है वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ, थोड़ा लेट स्टडी कर लीजिए, क्या हार में उसमें. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
या टेल मी, आर यू
Yes,
सेइंग
sir.
समथिंग?
No, sir.
Okay, then see you on Friday 4:15.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.